Cash, what are you doing?
Cash is taking some refrigerator magnets that say Obama on them. Do you want to take those home?
You're gonna get a spanking.
Oh, that's funny. All right, so
Did you get more water?
Cashlan, Daddy's gonna beat you if you take Obama.
Yes. Yay, President Obama! Yay! Are you taking a shower?
He got water.
He's soaked.
Is it? Yeah, we'll change this close. You don't need to keep hitting water.
So I'm gonna give you half of the salad.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, and take the dressing.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because I
What
don't
are
eat
you
that dressing.
doing?
Oh, I don't eat that dressing.
Oh, you can't eat the Greek?
No, it doesn't. I don't know why.
Definitely secret little ranger.
What do you use? Oil and vinegar? No, I use hot rods. Hot rods, I love their sauce and it doesn't have any soybean oil ever. And it's good.
Cashlan Lee.
Did you do it again?
Cashlan,
Where's the water? Where's the water, sweetie? Right there? Is it in?
Mom, I have a whole video.
Catherine's gonna get wet too.
We're so bad. Where's the water?
Is it wet? Is it cold and wet?
There's something wrong with you.
Did you find one?
Go show Grandpa how wet you are.
Okay. Do you have yours, honey?
I don't know where it would be.
What are you doing, huh? Did you get wet again? Did you get wet again?
Oh, you sure did. Huh?
I had one, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we've been saying where's the water.
Okay, I'll get it.
Don't worry, I got a whole Tom, I got a whole video.
Really? Does your mom have that at her house?
No. Yeah, but it's up higher.
Is it?
I don't think
Okay,
I can
all
reach
right.
it.
If it was, she'd give you a phone call.
Yeah, I'm sure she would be
Well,
happy.
dude.
And he just keeps going back. Look at that. That's cold too, isn't it?
Yeah, it's cold. It's freezing cold.
He doesn't care though. I mean, he can be sitting in the bathtub when it's freezing, and he gets mad at you if you try and take
Did
him
you
out.
make these, Julie?
Oh, a friend of mine did though.
Hmm.
Are they good?
What is it?
Almond.